Hello, welcome to Curse Brains. In this video, I will be showing how to easily fix the file is too large for the destination file system error on a USB drive or pen drive. Open your My PC or File Explorer. From where you can see the pen drive, I will show the error to you. As you can see the error with my USB drive. If you are facing the same error, let me show the easy fix for it. All you have to do is convert and format your pen drive from FAT32 to NTFS. And this will be the simplest and secure way of fixing the error, by formatting and converting the drive to NTFS. First, right-click on the USB drive. Second, click Format. Third, change the type to NTFS and click on Start. That's it, your error has been fixed, and now you can copy the files without any error. Let me show you an example. Hope I have explained each and everything clearly. Leave your comments and doubts in the comments section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for much more videos. Thank you for watching this video.